Hey there, it's Shay back again, and right now I just want to show you something that I just showed my students just a few days ago. It's a make money online campaign that I've had running for around 2 years right now, and it's doing up to $700 in a day. So I'm just going to keep this video short and sweet and get right to the point. I'm going to jump into the network right here, one of 5+ networks that I use. They all earn about similar amounts of money every day, but I would say this is one of my favorites right now. I've really just started pushing more traffic towards this network because of the awesome payouts I'm getting consistently for just generating clicks. And yes, I know that's probably something that you may not have really heard of or certainly never experienced yourself, but this is in fact something that I teach and show my students every single day. So I've got some graphs here, but just to explain this a little clearer, I'm just going to use the table down here. And yes, for the clicks, I specifically mean clicks. This graph right here connects to this column right here, which is RPC, and that stands for revenue per click. So if you take a look at some of them right here already in view, $4.57 per click on the 15th. We're in October right now. Today is the 19th. So $4. Some goes down to $3 a click. Some go up and over $10 a click. It really just depends on, various factors like the day, the market, what the advertisers are willing to pay, and, of course, the niche that you are going after. And I'll just scroll down further just to show the full month here so far. As I said, today is the 19th, and we are barely through halfway of the day today. And we have some pretty cool stats on today so far. I've sent 139 visitors. As you can see, 68 of those clicked, made money for me per click. As I said, $7.57 per click. It converted on the page at 48%. And so far, $514.52 made. And you can sort of see a trend here. I've pushed a little more traffic to this network specifically because of the awesome RPC, revenue per clicks, that I've started to really get. It's taken off at this time of the year and even just a little bit before the month of October as well. So I've got some $400 days there, $600 days, plenty of $300 days, some more $400s, $500 days, and $700 days as well. And this is all part of the formula that I teach to my students on a daily basis. And again, like I said, usually I only show this kind of stuff to my students specifically, but I'm okay for today to show you, to hopefully motivate you to go and make your own money-making campaigns as well. I mean, I show a lot more than just the results and the reports here like this to my students. I show how I'm generating the traffic, how I control it and point it to different offers and campaigns. There's a decent amount actually happening behind the scenes. And of course, when you know what you are doing, it's actually incredibly easy to do. And that is part of the reason why I have made this video today, to hopefully inspire and motivate someone such as yourself looking for ways to make money online. Even if you're just getting started, you don't have much experience, maybe you haven't even made any money online yet, or maybe you are making some money, maybe you are making around $50 or $100 or even $200 a day and you're looking to double or triple that. Let me tell you, I can help you do it. I can help you get to that next level where you want to be. But I also have to say, I'm not interested in working with people who are not truly serious. I only make my time and my training available to those who again are fully serious and truly want to make these kinds of numbers happen for them. And again, this is just one of my networks, okay? And of course, maybe you would be happy with the numbers just here alone. I'm sure many people would be. So I've opened this up for a limited time and only to truly serious people. If that is you, if you believe that you fit those requirements, then I'm willing to seriously help you. And honestly, if you are still listening to this video and watching right now, then that does tell me that you are serious. So, while I have this open still, take action. Do it right now. Click the link at the top of the description right now. I just put a short link. It'll just be a bit.ly link right at the top of the description. Just click that link right now and I will actually go do the same steps you are about to do. I'm going to go to my site and show you exactly what you will see and what to do. So, I'm here on my site right now, so click the link, then you will land on my site right here. It's really simple. All you have to do is enter your best email address right here on my site. And then just click the button, the Get Instant Access button right here. Just click that. And then there's just one final thing, and that is to check your email address. Go check your inbox and look for an email from me. It's really important that you go find that email, go open it, because in that welcome email, I'm going to have everything you need to get started right now. So go do those steps, go check your email, and I'll help you get started today. Thanks again for watching my video, and I look forward to working with you really soon.